welcome to my video. In today's video, we are finally getting around to cleaning this playroom. And if you guys have a playroom, then you can feel the pain and the struggle when you know how messy and dirty these rooms can get. And so today I just want to go through, declutter, organize, and just kind of clean and really refreshen up this space and just make it easier for me and the kids to clean up when it comes time for cleanup, and just make it, a little prettier on the eyes, because that doesn't hurt. So I hope you subscribe, give me a thumbs up for decluttering and organizing videos. Let's go get started on cleaning up this crazy little space. A quick before of what I'm working with here. We have this little playroom. This is meant to be a dining room, but because of our limited space, we made this into a playroom. So in today's video, I just kind of want to go through and donate any toys we don't play with, get rid of trash, and really just have a home and a designated area for everything in here. And definitely get rid of these blinds. The cord is broken. Put away that big giant dollhouse. And just update some things and clean some things up. I know projects like this can seem so overwhelming, but I promise that once you do it, it is so rewarding that you'll just want to keep going. And that's kind of how my last couple videos have been. And my next one is also decluttering. So I'm just really loving getting rid of stuff. And it just feels so good to get our space back and have things just more organized and just a designated spot for everything. It feels so good. I feel like I'm getting this house in order. I feel like I'm getting my life together. Like it just feels so good to clean and organize. And I definitely think that the secret is to really set a good day for a project like this. And just, today was kind of like a good cloudy, rainy day. I set the kids up in my room. I gave them some crayons, markers, a good coloring book. I put on one of their favorite movies. And I made sure to keep up with my laundry throughout the week and put all that away. I did my weekly house clean, like the one I filmed. So I really set myself up for success when it came to planning for this project. And that kind of helps with, now while I'm busy doing this, I know all of my other stuff is done. I know that today on my calendar, I made time for this. I know my kids are good, and I can really go through, take my time and enjoy this, because it is pretty satisfying to declutter. So I just kind of wanted to give that tip to just kind of really set yourself up for success, and definitely plan, 3-4 hours for a big project like this. And and also, you make yourself a little checklist just to keep you on track if you need that. Just some reminders of what needs to get done in this room, just so you don't forget. So just a couple tips for some successful decluttering. Now I will let you get to this video and listen to some music.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jump so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
So here I am, guys, taming this disaster that I have created here. I dumped out all the bins and cleaned them out. And now here I am going through everything that I'm keeping, organizing it, putting it in its own bin, its own little category, and just putting everything that we don't want to the side. And really my whole goal for this video was to really clean this space up and try and get rid of at least half of this stuff, because I know my kids are no longer playing with it, and just keeping the things that I always see them go for, taking those things and putting them into their own little designated home, and just really, making sure this playroom has a system, is not too cluttered, and it's as simple and minimal as we can possibly get it for our family.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. Will you put your hands in mine? I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. Will you put your hands in mine? I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds, and I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. Will you put your hands in mine? And I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. Will you put your hands in mine? And I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really...
So I put all her dollhouse stuff together, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in the garage later. I definitely don't want to get rid of it. It's an awesome dollhouse that was passed down to us, and some pretty cool furniture that came along with it. hopefully in the future when we move and my daughter has her own room, we can put that dollhouse in there for her. So here's my husband now just taking down the old blinds. Like I said, the cord is all broken and they're super old and dirty. So we just got some new ones from Home Depot that are cordless for about $45. And that wasn't too bad, and it was totally worth it. Totally just gave the room a really fresh, clean look. Right here, my husband's hanging some bookshelves. They're acrylic. I got them off Amazon for about $12. They are pretty awesome. It came with 4. We just put 2 right there. That was just enough for this space, but I totally love them. This bin organizer is also from Amazon. It was about $40 and I believe totally worth it. I also do like the little IKEA organizers. If you know, you know. Those things are pretty awesome too. I used to have some, but I ended up giving it away when we had moved. So now I'm just quickly mopping up our space, letting it dry, and just trying to put everything together here. There's my little puppy. He is crazy. This table I already had, and these 2 chairs I bought from Walmart. They were $15 a piece. The other table and chairs I'm giving away. They just outgrew them. And here I'm just putting away these bins. All of these are from Walmart, even these new ones I got. They work great for the bigger toys. I'm obsessed. And then I just feel like this bookshelf really elevated this space. And I think any floating shelves are the way to go.
Whee! Wow, it's a cool room! Mama! It's a cool room, Mama! You think you're going to have my bed right here or no?
Right here, I'm showing you that I end up moving these 2 containers to the other wall, and I even ran back to Walmart to switch out some bins. Here we are, you guys. The final reveal. Just look at that flow. I really think everything just works together. I love these posters. They were from Dollar Tree. Some of our favorite books that the kids are always reaching for. Before, they were all just kind of thrown all over the playroom. And we kept her favorite IKEA kitchen, her pots and pans. She has a little bin right there for all her food. And like I showed in the previous clip, some of our favorites right here are monster trucks, monster truck tracks, train tracks, and the bigger Legos. Right here, I added some labels that I printed out from Pinterest. We got some Barbies, dress-up toys, trains, doll clothes, little baby dolls, some Hot Wheels tracks, pretend play, animals, little instruments, just all of their favorite things minimized and put in their own bin. And then right here we have his Thomas the Train set and some Hot Wheels City play set. I truly hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun making this, and I really hope you subscribe and stick around for some more cleaning and decluttering. Bye guys.